back to my channel, Makeup by Earn. If you have not already done so, before we start this video, make sure you subscribe, okay, and turn on your push notifications. Also, make sure to leave comments and like this video when it's finished and all. If you want, you can like it right now, but you know, okay, so we're done with that. So I'm going to be doing a sunset look today. Hopefully this turns out well, because this will be my first time ever doing so, and I'll be using my Morphe palette again, my 12P Picasso Morphe palette. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So hopefully y'all do like it, like y'all like the other videos that I usually do. And of course, you know, comment, leave some ideas, give some feedback, and yeah. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. So of course you already know what I'm about to use. Yep, my NYX eyeshadow base. So we're going into my crease with the transition colors from my Naked palette, and it is Low Blow. It is Low Blow and He Devil. So that's what I'm going in with my creases right now. Most likely I'm just showing y'all one eye because you just need one eye. So I mean, if y'all feel like I need to show both eyes, please let me know. But, you know, I'm trying something new. I'm being honest with y'all. So, let me know. Let your girl know. So, as you can already tell, I did my right eye because I kind of wanted to do it off camera to see how it was going to look. And I like it. I could get a little bit more vibrant colors, but it's cool. So, you see I got my wing going on. I did my blending. I got my eyelashes on. So we're gonna work on this eye so that y'all can see up close like how I usually, well, not how I usually do, but how I do it. So I'm gonna scoot up so that y'all can see how I do it. So I'm gonna go in with my taper brush, and I'm gonna go in with this red. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this red in my crease. As you can tell, I already got a little red over there, but because I was moving too fast. I always move too fast. So we're gonna go in the corner, get some more red. Now I'm gonna go back in with my NYX eyeshadow base, just so that I can lighten up the middle a little bit more again, so that the color will pop. Let this side turn out better than the other one. I'm gonna be so disappointed. Okay, so we got the red popping. Now we about to go in with, whoops. Now we're about to go in with my orange in the middle. Oh yeah, I took out my braids. I don't know if y'all noticed already, but your girl took out the braids. Okay, let's go back into this. And then just so that it's a little bit more blended, I kind of just, you know, use the tip of my brush and kind of just blend that together. So it's not harsh, and you can tell like I just plopped the color right there. So we're gonna go in with my e.l.f. palette. And we're going to use this yellow right here. Hopefully y'all can see that, because I can't. So we're gonna go in with that yellow in the corner. Alright, and then now we're just going to blend. just so that we can soften up the red a little bit. We're gonna go back in with my transition color, Low Blow, and just go over that just to soften it a little bit. So now we're gonna do my eyeliner, just like this one. As you know, you can never really get it identical to that one. It's so hard. Wow. I just got eyeliner on my arm. I'm a failure. I'm a failure. Missed somewhere close, I guess. Because then if I keep messing with it, then I'm gonna mess it up, and I'm gonna be disappointed and sad, and you know, I don't want to be sad. So there's that wang. Stop looking at it. Oh my god. And then sometimes you'll see that your eyeshadow is a little under, so it's okay to wipe under there if you need to. Now I'm going to put on my mascara. Then I'm going to go in with my lashes. So I literally just took 5 minutes just to look for my tweezers. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Wow. They were in my face, and I was really searching hard for these things. But I feel like my lash time should be my story time. So maybe I could just talk. I think that's what I'll do. I'll just talk. So some of y'all know, because some of y'all follow me on Facebook, I will be posting my videos now on Fridays. So y'all have something to look forward to on Fridays now. What else can I tell y'all right now? I mean, follow my social media. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter. My Twitter is @Makeupbyernn with 2 N's. Okay, so we're letting them dry. Letting them dry. Today was a really rough day. And I'm doing my video literally at midnight. I had to go to bed because I was really just upset. I had to go to bed because if I didn't, I was gonna do this video, I was gonna mess up, I was gonna be disappointed, and I wasn't gonna make a video, and that would have threw off my schedule. So we didn't need that. So I woke up, I was in a better mood. I said, okay, let me do this video. All right. I don't know why I decided to do this eye. This eye is like complicated to do. Okay, we're gonna try on camera. Just an FYI, I do like using white glue because it goes from white to clear. So even if you mess up, I mean, you can't really tell. You might look at it and be like, that kind of looks weird, because you can tell it's smeared and smudged, but I prefer this over black any day, only because I know how I am and I could possibly mess up any day. And I might try putting my lashes on and it doesn't stick and it flicks up and you get some black stuff at the top. I don't have time for that because I will be very disappointed with life. So yeah, white glue. white glue is the way to go. So now that we're done with both eyes, we're gonna go to the bottom, my bottom lid, or yeah, we're just gonna go down here. We're gonna put some white stuff right there. So we're gonna put the red over here. Orange in the middle. So now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to prime the face with the Angelville NYX primer. Now we're gonna go on with my Super Stay Maybelline foundation. Do a couple of pumps. We're gonna use my new beauty blender that I got from California. It's Glam Powder Door. I forgot. I feel bad. I wonder if the receipt's still in here. Or is the name on the bag? Let's see. No. So we're gonna go with my beauty blender and just. This is cold. That's because my beauty blender is kind of wet too, I guess. Dots. Do a couple more pumps. Actually, I'll do a couple more pumps later because you want to blend down to your neck. And for some odd reason, when I do that, I can't tell. So I'm gonna do it after. This beauty blender is amazing, y'all. Now I'm gonna have to go back to California so I can go buy some more. Darn. Time for my midnight powder because I fell in love and I betrayed my Sasha Buttercup. Yes, I did betray her, but it's okay because I'm gonna use her again one day. my highlight set, I'm going to go on with my colors Heroine and Cyber. These are MAC colors that my aunt got me, so we're going to use those two. And I'm going to go in with Cyber first because that one's darker, and dark is life, dark is love, dark is life. Go in with my Tortillas Pro Glow that my former co-worker gave me, and we're gonna go in with Fire because it is some fire, baby. It's some fire up in this. Pop that right there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, some fire. Fire, baby. Put some on my nose. Put some on the bridge of my nose. And then finish it up. Put some on my brow bone. Make that pop. We're gonna make that eyebrow bone pop. And go ahead and go on with my setting spray. Set that neck too. Okay, everybody, and that's the finished look. And it's crazy because I've never done this look before, and it turned out perfect. It is so gorgeous. It's drop dead gorgeous, honey. It is drop dead gorgeous. So yeah. Wow, this is really gorgeous. Like, let's get a close-up. Yes, ma'am. That's all me. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you have not liked this video yet, this is the time to do so. So give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your push notifications, and comment if you want to. Give me some feedback. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me what next video you want me to do, because I mean, I will try it. If I don't know, I'll learn. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all again. Bye.